G'day everyone, Stan here, welcome back to Aussie Garage. On today's episode, we're finally back on the Cortina. Today I need to make a panel that goes in the glove box that holds the computer, the fuse box and a couple of other bits and pieces. So that's the mission for today. I've got my dodgy cardboard patterns that I've made up, and got some aluminium out in the shed, and fingers crossed everything's going to fit. Alright, so it's been a little while, but eventually I got this cut out. Got my lines marked for my bends. Alright, well there she is, all bent up, rather dodgily, but she's bent up. So that'll just sit in behind the glove box there. Let's see if she fits. Alright, look at that. We're in. Plenty of room in there now for the computer and everything. So that's a win. Alright, got to put some holes and some riv nuts and some screws and things in it to hold it into place. That's next. So let's get that bit done. So here we are. Got our tray all in. Might put an end cap on it. I did leave a little tab there for that. We'll see what not sure whether I'll do that or not yet. But that's all in. Alright, so back in the shed now. This is the basic setup we've got here. Oops, sorry. It's the basic setup we've got here. We've got the Haltech's going to sit there. That's going to sit there. This one's going to sit here, roughly. And what else do we have? This I'll have to make an extra bracket for to sit it there. Alright, now I'm also going to need a hole in here for these wires to go through and out, and then exit into the bay from. Alright, so here we go. That's pretty much everything made how I wanted. I've deburred most things. It's nice and smooth. I've put a little bit of rubber there just to, here's a rub point coming from this wiring bit here. But that should be all ready to mount everything onto. I'm pretty happy to be at this point. I've just got to assemble a couple more things. I made this little bracket here to hold the switches. So yeah, so that'll go. That goes there.
But I've got it all sorted out now, so I just need to basically assemble the whole thing and go and put it back in the car and see where we're at. Alright, so there's the basic idea all together. We've got this on here for our switches. Turn them down, got our module sitting there, computer sitting there, nice and easy to get. It will be nice and easy to get to when we want to get to that. Fuse box here, nice and easy to get to. Again, fuses and relays in there. And it all just drops out the back there. And that'll head straight up into where it needs to go for the rest of the car or wherever. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with that. Uh-oh. Yep, there's a problem. Okay. We're going to have to sort that out. Alright, that actually popped off fairly easily. Thank goodness. Yeah, we should be able to very straightforward roll into position. There's also much less room now for fingers. That's good. Maybe. Ah, oh, you son of a bitch. Alright, you guys. I don't need to hear me swearing, so I'm going. Actually, no. I'm going to shriek with joy. Just went in. Beautiful. Alright, there it is. All in there, mounted nicely. And reasonably easily, I won't say stupidly, but reasonably easily accessible through the glove box lid. Even though it is a bit of a tight squeeze in there, but we shouldn't need to get in there that often. And it's only those three, there's only two bolts in there at the moment, that one there and well, that one and that one. I'll left that one out for the minute because I do have to pull it all out. I'm going to have to use some nuts and bolts to put that to the aluminium because those self-tappers, they're just going to rattle loose. So I'm going to put some nuts and bolts. I may even rubber mount, I'm not sure yet. But yeah, but now we're all dummied up, that's all good, that's in there. Just have to run this wiring now through. There's a hole up under there. I don't think you're going to see it right now, but anyway, that'll all run through to the bay. But that's another day. For this one, we're done. I'll catch you on the next one.